What kind of cough is Delsym good for? Delsym is an over-the-counter medication that is used to relieve coughs caused by the common cold, flu, or other upper respiratory infections. It is a type of cough suppressant that works by reducing the activity of the cough reflex in the brain. Delsym is typically used to relieve dry, non-productive coughs, but it can also help to reduce the frequency and severity of wet or productive coughs. It's important to read the instructions and to use the medication as directed, taking into account any contraindications or warnings. Consult with a doctor if you are unsure about using Delsym or if your symptoms persist. Delsym is typically recommended for adults and children aged 12 years and older. However, the specific age recommendations may vary depending on the specific product and dosage form. For example, some Delsym products are formulated for adults and children aged 5 years and older. It's important to always read and follow the label instructions for the specific Delsym product you are using and consult your doctor if you have any questions or concerns about its use in children. It's also important to note that Delsym should not be used in infants under the age of 2 years, as there is not enough safety data on the use of this medication in this age group.